Both Docker Compose Up and Docker Compose Run are used to start services in a Docker Compose environment, but they have different use cases and behaviors. Let's break it down in detail. 1. Docker Compose Up. Purpose. It is used to start all services defined in the Docker Compose.yml file. It builds, if necessary, creates, starts, and attaches to the containers. Key features. Runs all services defined in Docker Compose.yml at once. If the containers are already running, it does nothing. If a container stops, it will restart it. Attaches logs of all running services to the terminal. Uses volumes and networks defined in the Docker Compose.yml. Docker Compose Up. Run services in detached mode in the background. Example. Docker Compose Up.
Or
Docker Compose Up. #run in detached mode, background. Best used for starting an entire application stack with multiple services. Running a project locally with dependent services like databases, caches, etc. 2. Docker Compose Run. Purpose. It is used to run a one-time or ad hoc command inside a specific service container. It does not start dependent services unless explicitly needed. Key features. Runs a single service from Docker Compose.yml. Does not start linked/dependent services by default. Creates a new container each time it's run, unlike Up, which reuses. Does not remove the container automatically. Use rm to remove after execution. Example. Docker Compose Run myservice echo hello world.
Or
Docker Compose Run rm myservice bash. This runs an interactive bash shell inside the myservice container and removes the container after exit. Best used for running a temporary command inside a service container, debugging or testing within a specific service, e.g., opening a shell, running database migrations, scripts, or manual processes. Key differences summary. Feature Docker Compose Up, Docker Compose Run. Runs all services? Yes, no. Only one service. Starts link services? Yes, no, unless service ports is used. Reuses existing containers? Yes, no. Creates a new container each time. Runs in the background? Yes, with no, always foreground. Best for starting a full application stack running a one-time command inside a service. Which one should you use? Use Docker Compose Up when you need to start your entire application with all its dependencies. Use Docker Compose Run when you need to execute a command inside a specific service container without starting everything. Like, subscribe, and share the video for more such videos. Thanks.